Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, click on Continue and select Allow. Now you want to go with Receive on Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and Send on Samsung. Normally you need to tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files, but it will take a lot of time, so I will just select this one photo, click Send and click Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will click on the scanning icon, select while using the app and scan the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into Folder My Files, select in my case Images and click on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!